Okie dokie. Okie dokie. No, we're not starting with that one, are we? Yo. Much prefer that. Anyway, so I think what I'll do is they are on the same level. That's good. So if we select that to there, that to stitch, where's it gone? To there. Just highlight that one. Move from there. We do extrude Z. Pull it in a little bit just for the curvature. Then extrude Z again. This gives gives us the oh man, what the hell do you call it? Tell you, my brain's gone on holiday. Actually moving it off camera. Right. Let's have a look at this door panel again. Right, so since the doors are closed, we don't need any of this. We just need a shut line between that and the B post. So if we can now that to there, to there, and then realise I'm gonna join. Oh, they might do actually do a right click, go bridge. Oh yeah. Oh yes, because that's for that curvature of that window, isn't it? So right. And that shut line appears to be the shut line. Yes, it is. Because if this has got a shut line in also, 3D like that. Although, let's have a think about this. God, this mouse, seriously. Shut lines there. Yeah, it's going to have to be, isn't it? It's going to be like straight down. So this needs to be right. I hope that's everything. Yeah, actually looking at that's a bit close, isn't it? So if we just slide that out a bit more. And then let's deselect that one and move that down. No pixel curve. It's not. Damn it. It's the back that's curved in there, isn't it? Yeah, but what is it? Or is that the same as straight down and literally just comes straight out? So looks like these have to come out like that and raise up. Get forward. You know what? I'm just going to pull that straight down. Oh, there's a gap there. Comes out, then straight down, and then this bit needs to be extruded. Okay. Scale that back a bit. Don't scale that back a bit. because that goes slightly in for some reason. Mouse, seriously, you're going to be causing a fit. Oh yeah, it goes on the corner, doesn't it? Okay. Crease off there for now. Right, I really want that to be against there. Okay. Right. That's better. All the wheel arches are there. So that is the bottom of the door. The shut line. Extrude Z again. How do we get rid of them now? Basically. It's cut around, doesn't it? At least have some horizontal edges. There. Scale. Scale Y. This guy looks suspicious. Probably moved it out for a reason, but it's not there anymore. Ooh, don't like that. Eek. It's gonna have to be there, isn't it? Anyway, stop getting distracted. Right, so where is about? How far is that shot line now? Right, do Control B. Scale it out. Actually, it would be good if we went to there. Control B. To there. Add in an extra line. Select all three. Put a crease on. Select the middle one. Select the middle one. Need to watch how far it goes back because we don't want it to. Not bad. Plenty of space here. Lovely. Right, we now have the doors done. Now let's bring it up around over the roof. Roof. Baby roof. Where did that come from? Right, that's going to have to go up to the shut line again, isn't it? So, we'll extrude Z. in a sec. Just line them up. Oh man, you've let mouse. You've let mouse. Can I be tired? What time is it? Right, so this now needs to wait a bit. Oh, especially because the oh yeah, look. Select that a sec. Can we get? Come on, mouse. Drive me crazy, seriously. What we'll do is done this once already, I think. Right, we don't want this fella in there. The shut line. We just want that line. Right, is this going to break it though? Scale X0. No, it's all right. So we had one. Deselect the shut line and on scale X0. Right. I now think though, there. It needs to go left, doesn't it? Go. Yep. Move you right. And then extrude Z again. Pardon me. Right. Kind of follow that corner around. Scale Z. Scale Z. That's all selected. Scale Z. It's going in a little bit. Slide it out of that. Ooh. Go. Oh, come on, mouse. Ooh. Times that. Ooh, nearly there. Right, so I think if we get, we'll just do an extrude and left click, drop it, and then get all the green, and then yeah, just do extrude X. There, extrude X. Line that up with that one. Put a 7. There we go. Ooh, scale X. Same with this one. Scale X. Oh, you know what? We don't need that shut line all the way up there, do we now? So grab that. Cool. GG. Slide it all the way into that other side, then GG, slide it back. Then it lines everything up. And it's also cleared the shut line at the top. Right, so that needs one through there, but we'll come back to that in the next one, I think. But for now, let's make sure. Feel this needs to come down. And this guy, there we go. 2, 4. Right, so we can't scale Z on that line anymore. This one, 7, stick the mirror back on, and then extrude X and snap that in the center. Yeehaw. Cool. Be cleared up once that short line gets put in. Alright then. Do it. Times are on. Ooh, quickly create another paint. We'll call this interior. Can't see. Main. So this will be the main colour. Tab. Let's do a control plus minus. Ah, it's all going to be red one, isn't it? You numpty. Plus. Alright. So that interior main doesn't need to be there. So read the plus there. Oof. Just right. In there, and then plus. Sign up. Not sure what the roof color is going to be, whether it's got a roof liner. But there we go. Lovely. Good. Yep. Right, Control S. And save it. I'll save you in the next one. My word. Catch you in the next one.